Hello students, welcome to NeoTeach. Today we are going to discuss logical operators followed by that assignment operators. So first of all, what are the logical operators? Logical operators especially used to combine more than one expressions in a single statements. So if we have some expressions, we are going to be combined in a special condition. So there we can just use like logical operators to combine them to take the decision purpose. Especially we use in the conditions only. Like how we will combine them, we will see here. So the purpose of the logical operators are nothing but like combining more than one expressions in a single statement. So what are they? We will list out here operator and followed by that meaning and one example for that. So how we will write that ampersand, that is considered as a logical AND, we call as logical AND. So like A logical and B, and pipe symbol, two times we are using a logical OR. So this is logical OR. So A or logical OR B, we call like that. And one more is there like exclamatory symbol. This is for logical NOT. So logical NOT. See here in this the first two are considered as, see here, two operands using, here also A comma B, two operands. So both these two are considered as a binary operators, whereas this is a unary. So because one operand we are using, that's what unary we can say, right? So logical AND means two times ampersand we are using, wherein bitwise AND we use only single AND. And logical OR also two times pipe symbol we are using. In bitwise OR operation we use one time OR operator, means pipe symbol one time we use. Okay. So when we use, let me give one example. Suppose I have a task. So the complete task I given to person 1, say P1, right? So the same task I given to person 2, P2, right? This person 1 busy, he didn't done any task. So 0% happened by this person. And P2 person done complete. So 100% task completed by this P2 person. Because see here, that same task I given to both the persons, in that case my consideration is anyone completed my task completed. So that means I was relaxed, because P1 or P2 anyone can do my task completed. In this case I should consider like OR, means optionality. So either P1 or P2 anyone can do my task finished. Okay. So in such a case we use logical OR. But due to some emergency or some like urgency, I given the same task to both the persons, like splitting, means 50% of the subtask T1 given to P1 person and the same remaining 50% task given to another person P2, right? So same scenario, P1 don't have time, so he didn't done, so 0% happened by the P1 person, and P2 have the time, so his work complete, the half of the work what we have assigned completely done, so completed. Overall here what happened, only 50% of the task completed. To get 100% task, what I should do, my consideration is here P1 and P2 both, okay, P1 and P2 both, here see, and A and B, so both can do, then only my task will finish. Like this my consideration is like that. So in this case AND operation is suggestible. So here optionality and mandatory scenario is coming here. So in such a cases we use logical AND and logical OR. Logical AND for the mandatory and logical OR for the optionality scenario, right? Now, so let's write one program, like one single program we will take and we'll discuss regarding that. Okay. So for this we'll go to open Dev C++, double click on the Dev C++ and go to file and take the new, click on new and select the source file. Right, here we will write one program. Write a program to find the result of student. Okay, just example we are taking here. Hash include, this is link section, we know that stdio.h we required here for the IO operations, and after that int main I am taking here, main function. Inside the main function, okay, I want to process like some marks, student marks. So I want to take marks 1 and marks 2 and marks 3. I am taking like this. Means why I am taking this, instead of taking 5 subjects, 6 subjects, I am taking only 3 subjects only for the example. And now I want to give input values, means I ask to enter 3 subject marks, enter 3 subject marks, done. So we will get output like enter 3 subjects marks. By seeing this, the user will input values, right? Scanf function. By reading means user will give 3 values as input values. Those values we should catch by using scanf function. They are like what kind of values we are catching? Integer values. So percentile d for the integer and percentile d for the one more integer and percentile d for one more integer. The first value we should keep it into first variable address of M1, and second one address of M2, third one address of M3, like this we will write. Okay, so initialization of marks done successfully. Now, so we will take the decision here. See, as of now I am explaining here if, in the next classes I will more explain regarding if here decision making I am taking, so that M1 is greater than 35. So I am considering like 35% out of 100 marks. I want to say like if a student gets minimum 35 and more, he is pass, like that. So first subject marks is greater than or equals to 35. At the same time, second subject marks are also greater than or equals to 35, and logical and third subject also greater than or equals to 35. Okay, so why I am writing logical and see here? Actually, to get pass in that class, the student needs to be pass in all the subjects. So that is mandatory. So no, like some subjects are going to be pass and some are not like that. So if he wants to qualify, means if he wants to pass from that academic, so he needs to be qualified in all the subjects. So that's what see. The first subject more than or equals to 35, mandatorily, see, so just combining these two, mandatorily, this second subject also more than or equals to 35, mandatorily this third subject also greater than or equals to 35. Means 3 expressions I am combining by using logical and here. So that is the main purpose of using logical and operation. So if all these expressions get satisfied, so that means overall condition true, in that case it will display pass. Okay, if this condition means any one of these three or any one or any 2 or more, like that. So if all are false or any one is false or any 2 are false, then entire condition became false. In that case it will goes to else part. In that else part, just simply we should print like fail. We should print like that fail. Okay, so this is the flow of execution of this program. So I will save this program. First I want to go for like file, click on save, and I am giving like a file name is result.c. So I am saving in C programs folder, click on the save button. Now I want to compile this, see compile button here. See, there is no errors and there is no warnings. Now I want to run this program. See, I am running this program. See, now I got this. See, enter 3 subject marks. I am giving 55 one subject, 77 one more subject, 99 is one more subject, like this. See, answer is means like result output is pass. Okay, I will run once again and give some invalid credentials, like means fail scenario. For that I want to run this program. Here enter 3 subjects. So I want to give one is 23, next one is 77, next one is 99. See, now it is fail. Okay, so like this we can run simply program. See, this is the program. So simply we are using here a logical AND operation. Okay, so logical operators works like this. Next we will move on to the next topic. Right, what is the next topic? Assignment operators. Assignment operators are especially comes along with the arithmetic operators. Basically assignment operator is only single, like is equal symbol we use. Okay, so first we will list out that operator and followed by that its meaning and its example and expand form also we will take here for this. Assignment operators. Assignment operator means assigning a value. Assigning a value. Suppose suppose I want to take here, see, A is equals to 5 I am taking. So that means the 5 is going to be assigned into A. So that's what this is equal to is considered as a assignment operator. Okay, so assigning the RHS value into LHS value is considered as a assignment operator. Okay, so now we will list out. This is called as a assignment operator. Suppose example A is equals to 5 I am taking. There is no expand form for this, and what I said here, assignment operators comes along with arithmetic operators. So that's what we will write along with this addition assignment. We call this addition assignment, like A addition assignment B. See here we are writing addition followed by that assignment. Here writing addition followed by assignment. So addition assignment, right? Expand form. So what is that? A is equals to A plus B, in the sense what? The first operand A add with second operand B, the result will be assigned into the first operand A. That is the meaning. Okay, and next one is subtraction assignment. So like subtraction assignment we can write like example is A subtraction assignment B. In this the expand form is nothing but A is equals to A minus B, means the first operand second operand, means like second operand deducted from the first operand and the result will be stored into the first operand. And next one is multiplication assignment, and we can write like A multiplication assignment B, and expand form is A is equals to A into B, and division assignment, and as well as modular assignment. Like this we will write. Okay, so everywhere we are taking, see, instead of writing this expand form, simply we will write this form. So that is the flexibility assignment operators providing. So A equals to A plus B is there. Instead of that we can write A addition assignment B. So that meaning is nothing but A equals to A plus B, like that. So we will see one more program also here for that. Let's we move to Dev C++. So opening Dev C++, already opened. Okay, so we will take one more program here, like new file, go to file, so go to new, click on source file. Okay, I will write here. We will write one program based on the assignment operators. Let me discuss that. So first write a program to demonstrate assignment operators. For this the same thing, hash include we required, hash include stdio.h, link section is completed, and now like int main, I am writing the program, means like main function. After writing this main function, inside this I want a comma b variables declared as an integer, and I want to give these values from the keyboard. So that's what I will generate the output statement, like enter a comma b values, enter a comma b values. Done. Now reading those values from the keyboard. So scanf function, %d, and these two values I will keep on to like a comma b. So respectively like address of a comma address of b, like this. Now I want to write in the output statement only, like printf function, here addition assignment addition assignment is equals to %d value, and writing the next line here, a addition assignment b. See, inside the printf function I am writing the operation. See, inside the printf function I am writing the operation. So this operated value will be formatted in the place of %d. Okay. So now let's we move for the next statement. Printf function, inside this subtraction assignment is equals to %d, then transfer to next line after printing that. So a subtraction assignment b, and then after printf function here like multiplication assignment, so that is equals to %d, then new line, and here also we can write like a multiplication assignment b, right? And after this next one is printf function division assignment is equals to %d. So we will write here like division a, division assignment b. So we will write like this, and finally last one, next printf function here modular assignment is equals to %d. This is the last one, so not required that new line. So a modular assignment b. So this is enough for this. Okay. Now let me compile this program. First of all, save this program. Go to file and click on the save. Here I am giving the name assign.c. I am giving the name assign.c. Okay, let's move to compile this. So compiled, there is no errors, there is no warnings. And now run this program. Yes, enter a comma b values. I am giving a value is 5 and b value is 3. Okay, so the value see here, addition assignment value is 8 and subtraction value is 5, multiplication assignment is 15, division assignment is 5, and modular assignment is 2. Okay, so like this all these values are coming here. Okay, so like this we will write the programs based on that. Okay, so in this video 2 operators are completed. In the next video 2 more operators I will cover. Thank you for watching.